Mascarpone is a thick and silky Italian cream cheese that isn't too sweet, which makes it the perfect base for creating your own desserts or cake frostings and adding your own sweetener like honey, cane sugar, or date sugar. It's widely available in stores now, but quite expensive. Luckily, it's easy to make at home and tastes so much better than any store-bought varieties. You'll love it on toast with jam for breakfast or adding it to dates during Ramadan. You only need 1 quart of heavy whipping cream and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice to make 1.5 cups, which is plenty for most recipes. Once finished, transfer the mascarpone to an airtight container and store in the refrigerator for about 1 week. Even the whey that is created from making it at home can be used in other recipes, such as smoothies or to thicken up a soup. Buon appetito! If you would like to see more recipes, subscribe to my socials and check out my book, which is available at all great bookstores and online at Amazon. For the full recipe, click the link below. Making global cuisine halal.